In today's episode, Elon Musk's fascination with supercomputers propels Grok to incredible new levels. The Tesla bot faces an unexpected setback. The Cybercab's engineering secrets are unveiled, and the Cybertruck gets a furry twist. Will Elon Musk ever stop building supercomputers? It doesn't seem like it. Here's what Elon said when reports surfaced about xAI's plans to expand their Colossus data center in Memphis to house 1 million NVIDIA GPUs. Nope, at least 1 billion GPUs, he quipped. But that's not all. Elon tied it back to one of his favorite topics lately, the Kardashev scale. He explained that we're just striving for a measly 1% completion of a puny Kardashev Type 1 civilization. If you're unfamiliar, a Type 1 civilization is one that can access and utilize all the energy available on its planet. Elon is essentially hinting that Colossus could someday consume 1% of Earth's total energy output. An astronomical feat. This includes energy harnessed from the sun, as well as the immense power stored in the Earth's superheated core. The scale of this ambition is almost impossible to grasp. Another discussion with Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai. Elon Musk mentions that any self-respecting civilization should strive to reach at least Kardashev Type 2. In his view, we're currently at less than 5% of Type 1. To reach 30%, we'd need to cover all desert or high sunlight regions with solar panels. Elon Musk has referenced the Kardashev scale at least 13 times since February 18th of this year, without mentioning it at all prior to that date. Returning to our humble civilization, there's an exciting development to share. xAI has been putting its immense energy to remarkable use. For the second time this year, Grok has received a major upgrade. The enhanced Grok AI now delivers significantly improved image generation, thanks to xAI's newly developed in-house image model. The company announced in a new blog post that they've significantly enhanced Grok's image generation capabilities using a cutting-edge model called Aurora. This model is an autoregressive mixture of experts network designed to predict the next token from combined text and image data. It was trained on billions of examples sourced from across the internet, giving it an extensive understanding of the world. Thanks to this training, Aurora excels in creating photorealistic renderings and accurately following text-based instructions. Moreover, the model supports native multimodal input, enabling it to draw inspiration from user-provided images or even directly edit them. Most importantly, it can now accurately create detailed depictions of the Tesla Semi, Cybercab, Cybertruck, and Optimus. Grok's new Aurora model appears to be specifically designed for photorealistic output. Previously, any images generated with Grok relied on a third-party model called Flux, developed by Black Forest Labs and integrated into the Grok chatbot. However, going forward, Grok will use its own models for both text and image generation. These models are developed by xAI and trained using their Colossus infrastructure. Not only can Grok generate high-quality images, but it can also understand them with remarkable precision. Elon has confirmed that you can upload various types of medical data, such as a phone picture of your blood test results, an MRI, or an X-ray, and Grok will analyze it for you. His response follows a discovery by Robert Scoble, a veteran tech industry blogger and prominent figure in AI. Scoble found that Grok has the ability to analyze an image of a surgical incision and offer valuable insights into the wound's healing progress. Grok is now available for free in most regions, offering 10 questions every 2 hours and 3 images per day. However, full access remains exclusive to X Premium subscribers. Tesla is all about pushing the boundaries with cutting-edge technology, and it's got me thinking about how we can bring that same level of innovation into our everyday lives. A great example of this is our sponsor for today's video, Exter, a brand that's revolutionizing everyday carry essentials. Exter's wallets are not only ultra slim and stylish, but they're also built with functionality in mind. They've introduced a clever quick access card system where with just a press of a button, your card pops up and is ready to go. This is perfect when you're in a rush or simply want to keep things efficient. One feature that really stands out is their RFID blocking technology, which protects your cards from wireless theft. With the growing use of contactless payments, this kind of security is more important than ever. But here's what I love most. Extra wallets come with trackers. They offer one for iOS, which links to Apple's Find My, and a solar-powered version for Android. Tesla has just released a new video featuring Optimus exploring the hillsides of Silicon Valley. What could he be searching for? Watching him navigate the steep hills is truly impressive. But the most exciting part happens at the end. Optimus loses his footing on the loose dirt in the garden and somehow manages to stay upright. If it were me, I'm pretty sure I would have fallen flat. Milan Kovac, the vice president of Optimus AI at Tesla, provided additional context to this clip. He explained that the runs take place on mulched ground, an area where he himself has slipped before. What's truly remarkable is that, despite being blind, the Optimus robot is able to maintain its balance without relying on video input. Instead, it uses onboard sensors controlled by a neural network that operates in just 2 to 3 milliseconds on its embedded computer. Exciting developments are underway as we're enhancing the vision system to enable smarter planning ahead. We're also perfecting the gait to look more fluid and natural, even on the toughest terrains. The system is becoming increasingly responsive to changes in velocity and direction. Plus, we're teaching it to fall safely, reducing damage when it's unavoidable, and get back up with ease. Milan, along with the other leaders of the Optimus AI team, is inviting individuals who are passionate about this progress to join the team. Here's Julian Evers, Senior Manager of Optimus AI at Tesla, sharing with us in his recruitment pitch that their goal is to have thousands of robots performing useful tasks by the end of 2025. Oh, and just recently, Elon also shared some insights on the pricing and expected volume for Optimus. Optimus is a very sophisticated robot. It will be immensely difficult to get the cost to $20,000. Not easy at all, but it will eventually happen. Production volume needs to be above 1 million per year. For that, price will be driven by demand, but eventually even price will get to around $20,000. Tesla has been displaying its Cybercab at showrooms across the United States, and they've even sent one to Europe, as we recently reported from London. One of the showrooms recently hosted an event where several members of the Tesla engineering team were present to provide further details about the Cybercab. Eric E., Tesla's lead engineer for the Cybercab, and notably the only Tesla employee who has managed to keep his family name under wraps, gave a 5-minute presentation about the Cybercab at a recent event. Here's what we found most interesting. Eric confirmed that the Cybercab will have only 2 seats because 82% of ride-hailing trips currently involve 2 or fewer passengers. This specific number reflects a focus on efficiency, not just for maximizing mileage per kilowatt-hour, but also in terms of design for autonomous fleet operations, like car cleaning and maintenance. The Cybercab has minimal pockets of space, making it easier to clean and requiring less effort from maintenance crews. Tires are one of the few critical maintenance needs, and Eric mentioned the team is targeting a 60,000-mile replacement interval. The butterfly doors of the Cybercab were discussed as well. These doors improve ingress and egress, terms that refer to the process of entering and exiting a vehicle. Automakers test these movements extensively, and the Cybercab's door design allows the B-pillar to be moved further back, making it easier for occupants to get in and out. As for storage, Eric mentioned that the trunk can fit 2 full-sized carry-ons and 2 full-sized checked bags, and even foldable wheelchairs can fit. The Cybercab will feature a 21-inch screen with the same resolution as the Model 3 and Model Y. Tesla aims to make the Cybercab as cost-effective to produce as possible. Eric confirmed the vehicle will have about half the number of parts compared to the Model 3, with the body structure consisting of 60% fewer components than the Model Y. Additionally, only half the number of workers excluding Optimus robots will be needed to build the Cybercab compared to the Model Y. This is achieved by reducing part counts, increasing automation, and streamlining the unbox process. Some additional details shared by the Tesla owner filming the event, based on discussions with engineers, though unverified, include that the body material of the Cybercab has not been finalized yet, but it will feature steer-by-wire technology. While the brakes still use hydraulic fluid, they are also designed to fit into the unbox process. The height from the ground to the seats of the Cybercab was another topic of interest, and it turns out that the vehicle is higher than it looks, making it easy to get in and out of. Lastly, on why the Cybercab doesn't have the Tesla logo. Elon Musk confirmed that for products unique enough, no logo is necessary.